What is up? What is up, y'all? So here I have one of my custom wig units. Y'all can view that video on how I made this wig in the description below, and how I bleached the knots also in the description below. But yeah, make sure that you have a good lace. Now, I have not plucked this wig. I have not done nothing to this wig at all. I just made it, and now I'm going to show you how to pluck your wig. Now, this is beginner friendly, so that means that these tips are mainly for people who don't know how to pluck at all. So if you know, I'm sorry, maybe this isn't the video for you, but this is beginner friendly for all my girls that don't know how. So first, you want to start off by parting your wig where you want to wear your wig. I'm just showing y'all the curl pattern. This is my curly hair with one of my deep wave frontals for the look that my client wants. So I'm gonna go in with a hot comb, and every step I do, you should do also. So part your wig, first step. Second step, hot comb your frontal first. You need to see where the hair is going, so hot comb your frontal. Don't be scared to hot comb it and get the hairs laying back. Now, you may skip this part of wetting your frontal, but for me, I need to wet my frontal because it's easier for me to pluck when the knots are wet. You know what I'm saying? So I go in and wet my frontal. I don't know if I should add this as a step or not, but this is step 3, baby. I guess wet your frontal. Now, I have flat tweezers that help me pluck out the knots, and what I'm going to do is not start from the edge of the hairline, because you don't want the edge of the hairline looking bald. So I'm going to go inside the hairline, and I'm just going to pluck out the hair on the frontal. So this way it all can go naturally together, if that makes sense. So as you can see, I'm just going in separate parts. You don't want to stick in one section for too long. And I'm gonna pluck out the hair. When you plucking, you want to take your time because the lace is very delicate. So take your time with plucking these knots. That's exactly what you're doing. You're going in and you're plucking out the knots. You're not pulling hair strands, because that still leaves the knots in the hair. I like to take the knots out. Forget about the hair strands. I wanted to make it look like scalp, so that means I have to take out the knots. So now I'm just going in and I'm trying to comb out all that hair that I plucked from out of the frontal, because you just don't want the hair sitting there. You want to comb it out so you have a clear view of what you're plucking. Look how natural that looks. Like, installing this was amazing on my client. But yeah, it just looks so natural. The parting is just so perfect. Be sure to go check out my video on me making this wig and bleaching the knots, of course, because I use 40 Developer, and I know a lot of people have a hard time with 40 Developer, but I love using 40 Developer because I love how it processes the knots instead of, I know a lot of stylists that bleach the knots 2 times, but sis, I ain't got time for all of that, But yeah, now I'm gonna go in and pluck out the other side of the lace. Now you guys, I'm just combing out the extra hair like I did on the other side, and then you're gonna see how great this hairline is. Like, I love my frontals. Soon they will be available for purchase, but yes, my frontals look so natural even before I customize it, and now after customizing it, it's just look like scalp, and that's what you want. You want it to look like scalp. You want it to look like a real hairline. So now I'm just hot combing the hair back just to see how the hairline looks, and it looks beautiful to me, you guys. Like, what you think? I think it looks really good. Now this is 3 bundles and 1 frontal. The bundles are 30-inch. The frontal is 18-inch. These are 3 bundles of my curly wave hair, and the frontal is my deep wave hair. And I wanted to blend it out to get a certain type of slick back look, so it will be big enough but not too puffy at the top. But as you can see, you just want to comb out the hair together. I ended up, washing it all together, of course. But yeah, I'm just combing it just so you guys can see the pattern and how beautiful it look like. Sis, like, this is summertime fine type of hair right here. This is that, I don't know, but it's so pretty. Like, I love this curly texture, and the wig being so flat, it looks like your natural hair. I just love it. But yeah, you guys, if you guys got any tips from this video or anything, if you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. I have more coming. Don't worry, sis, I got you during this quarantine. Love you guys. Bye.